So many people ask, why are their credit scores different everywhere they go? So in this episode, you're going to learn why you have multiple different credit scores and why your credit scores are different every time you check them or go to somewhere else to check your credit scores. So stay tuned for this episode and learn what's going on. Sturgis Credit Repair is a 5-star rated online credit repair company. We help people just like you build or rebuild their credit scores. If you have no credit history, we offer products to help you build credit history so that you never have to depend on anyone co-signing for you. If you have bad credit, enroll into our service today and allow us to work on the negative items affecting your credit scores. We take no money up front, so start our service today for free. You'll get updated through your online account as well as receiving updates through your email. For those who are trying to buy a home, we're partnered with multiple real estate agents and loan officers who are ready to assist you with your goals. If you are a real estate agent, loan officer, or anyone dependent on customers with good credit, create a free partner account with us today. You can manually send or receive clients through your online account as well as track their progress before they go to someone else. Visit our website to learn more about our services. All right, so we get so many calls and emails and messages from people, usually a lot of people that are enrolled with our services. And a lot of times they're like, hey, we check our credit scores with you guys, but then when we go to a dealership or when we go to run our credit to get approved for a home, the credit scores are different. Why is that? Which score is real? Which score is not real? So honestly, to answer that question, there is no such thing as a real credit score because everywhere you go, it's going to be a different credit score. So I'm going to give you an example here. So there's two different types of scoring systems. There's Vantage and there's FICO. Vantage is usually used for credit monitoring apps, and a FICO scoring system are usually used from banks or mortgage lenders or any type of lender. So right there, those are two different scoring systems. So it's kind of similar to somebody exercising every day and they download a workout app. Each workout app uses a different calorie calculators, if that's even a word, to figure out or calculate how many calories they're burning. Each app that they download is going to show different amount of calories they burn because they use different scoring systems or different calculations to kind of calculate how many calories this person is burning during their workout. So let's talk about Vantage. So these are used in credit monitoring apps, pretty much like our credit monitoring system that we use to look at customer credit reports. You have Credit Karma, Credit Wise, which is on the Capital One banking app. So if you ever log into your Credit Karma app and it says Vantage 3.0 on there, that's because it's using a Vantage scoring system. And usually looking at your Vantage scores is a whole lot cheaper than paying to look at your FICO score. So both of these are real credit scores. They're not real or they're not fake because there's no such thing as a real or fake credit score. It's just how the score is, calculated. So out of Vantage, there's multiple different versions of it. So you have like Vantage 1, Vantage 2, Vantage 3, so on and so on, like 6 different models. Every system that you check your score on that uses a different Vantage scoring system is going to give you a different score. Credit Karma is going to give you a different score than the credit monitoring service that we use. So right there, just from credit monitoring, you're going to get a different score. Not, one isn't more real than the second score, or one isn't more true or more accurate. They're both just calculated differently. Let's talk about FICO. FICO, like I say, it costs more money, the FICO scoring system. It doesn't mean it's more accurate, the score is better, or the score is real, because like I said, there's no such thing as a real score. FICO is used by most of your banks and lenders when it comes to financing or loaning out money. So a lot of times when you go to a bank or any type of dealership, you may go to this dealership and run your credit and your score is a 650, and then down the road you may go somewhere and they tell you your score is a 680. But both of these dealerships uses a FICO scoring system. Well, just like Vantage, there's multiple scoring systems with FICO, and I think FICO has like 16 scoring systems: FICO 1, FICO 2, FICO 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, whatever. So there's 16 different scoring systems with FICO. So Even if you're going to a mortgage lender and today your score is a 700 and tomorrow you go to a different mortgage lender and they tell you your score is a 713, it doesn't really matter which lender you go to. The scores are just calculated differently. So usually these two systems here, a lot of times these can be anywhere from like 10 to 50 points off if you compare the two. So for example, when I purchased a home 3 years ago, I checked my credit score on Credit Karma and it used a Vantage scoring system. I think it was Vantage 3.0 at the time. But when I checked my score on Credit Karma, it was like 720 or something like that. But when I ran my credit through the actual mortgage lender or the bank, they told me it was 793 or something like that. So it was an almost 50 point or 60 point difference from the two here. Vice versa, there's some clients that see a 600 credit score on Vantage or Credit Karma, but when they go and run their credit through a bank, it says 550 or something like that. So it just depends on what scoring system you use. There's no such thing as a real or fake credit score. The main thing is just focusing on the negative accounts. So, I don't even focus on credit scores because they're going to be different everywhere you go. I mainly just focus on the negative accounts. So if you have any questions, reach out to us at Sturgis Credit Repair and we'll be more than happy to assist you. If this video helped you, be sure to like it, comment, share it, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.